Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my May Memory Monthly Plan with me. I'm using the May Monthly kit from Plannerface. I do PR for Plannerface, so I get a discount for promoting her stickers, and it does mean you can use Tilly 10 to save. So that is the kit. It is on premium matte. We have these washi tapes here. These two are from Simply Gilded. This one is from Fox and Cactus, and this one is from Colourful & Co. You could also use Tilly 10 to save at Colourful & Co. I don't PR for Beth, she's just a good friend, so yeah. Then I've got in my Plannerface reusable sticker album, I've got my stickers pulled out there. And then I've got my notes there. So, here is the monthly spread. So without any further ado, I'm going to get the base down. Okay, Coke, so whilst I'm setting up the base of the spread, I'm just going to quickly check in with you guys. How are you all doing? I'm doing alright. I'm feeling really positive today. It's really sunny outside and I'm 90% sure that's why I'm feeling positive. Isn't it funny how much the weather affects you? But like, I mean, that is a thing. There is such a thing as seasonal affective disorder, which is basically that you get depressed or sad in the winter. It also amuses me slightly because the acronym for seasonal affective disorder is SAD. Just makes me smile. One of those things. But yeah, I'm feeling a bit positive today because of the weather and I'm on annual leave today. So yeah, hope you guys are doing well as well. So there is the dead simple base of the spread down. It is really, really simple and they're always really quick to set up. So let's zoom in and have a little look at the first half. Okay, so first things first, we're going to start with the 31st just because it's there. On the 31st, I had a man in like bizarre amounts of pain and we couldn't work out what was going on at work. So I got the consultant to see him, which I don't do very often, but needed doing. So that's what I'm marking there. Then on the 3rd, I was post nights and I didn't take a nap and I was quite proud of myself for not napping. So that's what we're going to mark in there. Cute. On the 4th, I had my dose of the vaccine, and also I worked on orders literally all day. So, we're working on orders all day. I want to see how long this order script is, because I'm not sure. No. So I'm going to use the vaccine with the flag. I don't want that there though. I'm actually going to pop at the top, I'm going to pop in this appointment label for orders, and then underneath I'm going to pop in the flag for saying I got my vaccine. So yeah, and then for orders we've got this envelope. By the way, I have decided that I'm going to try and use like silver and hollow separately, and it's two like separate foil colours. That's the plan. Hello Kiara. Please don't knock over things. On the 5th, I had some car problems. My car decided that, so there was a load of traffic at work, and with my car being stationary for so long, it got really upset and decided to bring on a warning light. It did go off after driving for a little bit later. It's like the converter, something fills up, and you need to just drive it to get rid of it. On the 6th, it was my shop anniversary, so I'm going to use a big box for that because my shop anniversary is important. And what I think I'm going to do is try and like put that in the centre, preferably down straight. There we go. Then I've got this Tilly journal script, which I think I'm going to have to tear in half really carefully. I'm tearing it rather than cutting it because I just think it'll look better. I almost wish this box was a tiny bit bigger. So I'm just going to pop. I kind of want that underneath. But the problem is once these stickers are stuck on premium matte, they're quite hard to peel up. So it's just going to have to go on top because otherwise I'm going to ruin the foil. So we're going to have Tilly journals there. I'll try and write in anniversary sale maybe. And I'm just going to leave that off. And that'll do. Okay, on to the 10th, we had McDonald's for dinner, which is not something we do very often, or ever. So I wanted to mark that in as like something a bit different and a bit unusual. Like we get takeaway once a week, but it's not normally something like a Macca's. So got that to mark that in. Nothing on the 11th. On the 12th, I had a really strange patient at work that, like, to the point, so radiology have like a reputation for never leaving their office. Oh, kitten, please be careful. And the radiologist came and was like, there's this thing on this scan and I've never seen it before. So it was really weird. On the 13th, I wasn't feeling 100%. I just wasn't feeling quite right. I don't know what was wrong. I was just feeling poorly, basically. And I think that can go up at the top. Just again, try and make some interest and leave space for 4 boxes. And that's how I decide on like the position of boxes and stuff. So that's the 13th. On to the next week. On the 17th, I was feeling productive. So I've just got a little happy dino from Colourful & Co. to mark feeling productive. I'm pull in a flag, just again add an interest because that looks cute. 18th, I want to mark something in that I'm not saying what is, but it was just busy and stressful, so I'm just going to mark it in with that. Stick with the Planco sticker. Then on the 20th, I had me time. I was like, what's going on here? What's going on here? And I kinda, so I have this like paint swatch. And I kinda wanna just put the paint swatch with the character sticker like above it, like that. Does that work? I'm making it work. I like it. Both kittens wanna join in today. On to the last week. The 24th, I don't have anything to mark. The 25th, we booked a little holiday. We're not going very far or for very long, and it's in the country, just to clarify if you're worried. But we just are going for a little holiday. So that's in there. On the 26th, I had bought new silhouettes and they arrived this day. I bought them from a fellow shop owner who has changed her equipment. I believe that's why she was selling them, because she still has a shop. So that's to mark that in. And I was getting that all set up. And on the 27th, I'm going to mark something else that wasn't really good, but again, I can't really say what was. So, because it's just not my information to share. But it was good news. So we'll just pop that in there. And that is the first half of the week before the pen and everything else. Let's turn over and look at the second half. I always find these videos weird because I'm like not working in chronological order, but yeah. Oh well. On Saturday the 1st, I'm just going to mark in that I'm not really enjoying my current job. I think that was just a bad day for it. So then on to the 7th. We had a vet's appointment, and also I woke up and I had a nap and I had really bad sleep paralysis, which I don't like. It's not something I've suffered with I suffer with it when I nap only, and it's horrendous. But yeah, that was what happened that day. When I have 2 things in a box, I like to use one boxy box and one flag, but then I also want to pull in the other flags at other places, so I kind of vary how things work. So that's there. On this day, I had a really lovely Zoom call with Beth from Colourful & Co. and her husband. It was like, yeah, it was really nice. So for that, I've got this stick with a Planco girl and a video call script. Sunday the 9th, we went round to my parents for a barbecue because we were finally allowed to see other people, but I was also having a bit of a rubbish day, so I need to fit both of these things in and I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to pop that there, and then I need to centre this flat lay somehow, and then underneath that maybe just a skinny appointment label. As I said, I do normally like I'd normally use like a flag. Oh, I could use a skinny flag again, but I've just used a skinny flag there. I think I'm going to though, because I think it will look better. But then it's the same colour. Oh, I don't know what to do. I'm so indecisive. God, I'm annoying. I think I'm going to go with the appointment label that I went with originally. Put that in there. And I've just got this not today for my rough day. On to the 14th. Oh, I need to mark something in with washi here. So I'm going to pull in a strip of this washi here. And I'm not sure how obvious it's going to be that because of like the amount of washi I generally pull in. I'm not sure how obvious it's going to be that it's marking something because I haven't done this in forever. But we're just going to do that. And then pull in a flag on there. And that's just to mark that some friends were in town visiting us. On there. And then in this box as well, I'm just going to mark that I was really excited that they were here. Because they are some of our best friends. Like, yeah. And then on the 15th we went for a super long walk. And also we played a lot of Mario Kart, which we used to play a lot at uni. So it was just amusing. That's what we did. So I'm going to pop this up at the top for the walk. And then, so my icon needs to be at that side really, so my icon wants to be at this side. Then for Mario Kart I'm going to use this flag. I've got a giant walking sticker and I'm a bit like, I might need to switch that out for a smaller one. I definitely do, because of the washi at the bottom. So that's for Mario Kart, and I'll pull in a walk sticker in a minute. And then on the 16th I want to mark in that we did an at-home escape room, and it was a lot of fun. I don't really have any escape room-esque stickers. If you know anybody that makes some, let me know down below, because it's something I like. I love doing escape rooms. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, I feel like we might have to pull out and undo for this disaster. No, we didn't. We're good. So that's for the at-home escape room. On to the last week. On the 21st at work I was in recess, which was a lot of fun. I hadn't been in recess before for like a whole shift, and I actually enjoyed work, which was a bit of a shocker to me, given I said at the beginning of this video about like not generally enjoying work. I'm going to pop the 21st flag in now, but we know how I'm terrible at this. So she borrowed my tweezers and didn't put them back in the right place. No, I think I'm going to have to turn the planner. I try not to turn the planner during this section of the video, but I think I have to for the flags. I can't do it straight otherwise. There we go. Yeah, that doesn't cover the 21 too much, so that's fine. The 22nd, we actually finally looked at some wedding venues that we might want to book. I'm running low on stickers. So let's use another flag, I think, for that. Yeah, no, that works well because the ring sticker is quite small that I'm going to use there. That's for looking at wedding venues. On the 23rd, I had a big day just making planners for the planner release that happened at the beginning of the month, end of last month, something like that. So that's there. Then last but not least, on the 28th, Beth came over for our collab, which came out on Wednesday, I believe, when you're seeing this video. So that's there. That's for her coming over to sort the collab out and stuff, so like exchange collab, work out some stuff, the details and stuff. And then on the 29th we went to a food and fair festival in York. So again, I just have a food flat lay for that. And that is all of the plans in, so let's open up and look where we're at. So for the super long walk, I've just found another sticker that works there. So that is the full spread before the washi and full boxes and stuff. It looks like we might be able to fit in a good number of the full boxes here. So basically I'm going to go through, I'm going to pop these full boxes down, I'm going to pop the washi in and pop the date dots in. So I will be back with you in a little bit. This will take some time. Okie doke, so while I'm doing all of the gumph that I do, like writing everything in, what else do I do, washi, full boxes, etc. I'm going to have a little chat about my social justice issue, and today we're going to be talking about abolishing the death penalty. So there's quite a famous quote by by Desmond Tutu, who said, "There's no justice in killing in the name of justice," and he's 100% right. Like, why do we think it's okay to murder people in the name of justice? Like, what? Is that not just... Oh, kitten, please be careful against the microphone. Is that not just what anybody who murders anybody thinks they're doing, is that they are doing it in the name of justice? As a general rule, people think, don't kill people just for fun. And also, the other thing about the death penalty is that the majority of people on death row are black, and there is a huge racial bias towards, you know, black people being put on death row. So that's why this is like a social justice issue as well. Well, it is anyway, because, you know, reform the police, get rid of prisons, or demolish the police, get rid of prisons. But also there is a huge racial bias towards people being put on death row, and also there's quite a lot of statistics saying that black people are less likely to get a fair trial as well. So yeah, even if we could get rid of all those things, it's still not just to murder somebody, no matter what the reasoning. You're literally then just makes me really angry. We need to work towards reform in the justice system, not towards punishment, because that is actually the way to stop more crimes happening. So yeah. Okie doke, so there we have the finished spread, beautifully hollow foiled. I seem to use a lot of hollow foil at the top and then not much later on. There's not a lot I can do about that. I might add some like foil twinkles in a bit later, but I'm not sure. I quite like it how it is. So yeah, that's all we have for today. Comment, like down below if you enjoyed it. I really love how this came together. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I keep spotting like little gaps where I'm like, should I put a bit of washi in there to fill up that tiny gap? Probably not, but I'm going to. So yeah, that's everything I have for you today. Really love this kit. I love the colours. I was like a bit unsure when I first saw it, but I actually really like it. I think it's gorgeous. So yeah, let me know how your May was. Mine was actually alright. It was really nice to actually see some people again and for lockdown to reduce a bit. So yeah, that's all I've got today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!